Probably you might have heard about the Beer Bull Traders by Andrew Aziz. This is a trading community, and a lot of people have kind of been asking me, Maverick, is this platform, is this community a good one for me to consider or not? And that is what we're going to be discussing today in this Beer Bull Traders review. And for you to know, Beer Bull Traders' aim is to help you make money. That is what they claim, that they're going to help you make money by teaching you how to profitably buy and sell stocks and options, okay? And in case you don't know what a stock is, it's kind of you buying a small piece or a portion of a public company. Okay, so the more stock you own, the more of the company you own. So that is what stocks is about. Okay, so maybe like Coca-Cola or Amazon, just an example, or Apple, for example. So you buy a portion of the company, okay, the portion of shares of that company. So that is what the stock is about. So now basically, if a company gets bigger, the stock also goes up and you get more richer. Why? If it's gets if their profit keeps coming down, then your money also comes down. So that is what you're going to be learning right here now, and that is what Bearpool Trader is about. That is what they promise to teach you, about how you can trade successfully. Okay, and as you can see right here, we have the don't trade alone, join a community of serious like-minded traders. You enter your email address, you submit, and you get into the email list. So you can see the background image of some of the members right there, and you can see some pictures here. And why choose Bearable Traders, blah blah blah. You have experienced mentors, dedicated psychologists, trading foundation, continued dedication. You also got weekly webinars and regular meetups. So here are some mentors right there who are going to be putting you through, who've got experience in stock based on this page. I'm certain that you might have already seen all these, so we might not need to go ahead to keep going. Keep showing you all these. And I think this is kind of very cool. Okay, and they've been featured in Investopedia, Business Insider, and Benzinga. So the pricing, you see, you have introduction, we have $39 per week. Okay, that is the intro, which is educational career. We have the basic, which is $99 per month, roughly $100 per month. And we have the elite, which is $199 per month. Elite annual, close to like $2,390 yearly. Okay, so now you might have already seen all that, so I won't want to go ahead to keep talking about these, because the reason why you're here today is to know if this is something you should consider, if it's something that it's worth your investment or not. And that is what we are going to be discussing right there. So if you scroll down a little bit more, you can see all these. Okay, I think that's the end. Now let's talk about my opinion. Okay, so firstly, I think I like this introduction, which gives you access to the platform for $40 for just a week. Okay, so although the amount can be a little bit higher, okay, but it's worth it because it helps you to know, at least have a taste of what it's about, what is going on in the community. Okay, although I can't be certain of the money back guarantee for that. I think the other ones might have a money back guarantee, but I'm not certain about the money back guarantee for this 1 week plan. I think this is just for you to check out what works. Okay, so now there are some things you should know about these. Okay, now you stand a lot to gain in this community because these people include a lot of experienced mentors. That is what you have to know. You stand a lot to gain with this community, and this has been around since 2016. Okay, so Andrew has founded this since 2016, and it's a legitimate company. Okay, it's a legitimate company, it's a legitimate community. So you joining this, know that you're joining something legitimate. Okay, and you stand a lot to gain, for real. All right, I've seen a whole lot of people in my close community talk about it, so that is why I'm complacent enough to also talk about it. And for you to know, I'm not an affiliate for Bearable Trader. Okay, I'm not an affiliate. This is just an honest review from me to you, as someone who has the privilege to embark on thorough research on anything about internet. All right, so now, although one thing you need to know is the success cannot be guaranteed. I cannot guarantee that you'll get success, although it's a legitimate community where you can learn a lot of things from several gurus and mentors, mentors and experts in the field of stocks and trading. But I can guarantee success for you. I cannot. You getting success depends on yourself. A lot of people are there and they do not get success, so that depends on you. All right, and this is very useful for intermediate and advanced traders. So in case you're an intermediate and advanced trader, you trade stocks and options, this is a very good one because you'll be able to learn more. Okay, you'll be able to learn more about all these things around options trading, stocks trading and all that. It helps you to learn more, right? And also, it's not bad for beginners also, as you can learn a lot. If you're a beginner, it's not also bad. Okay, so that is what you have to know. And you will have private dashboard and be in a community of like mind. So you have your own private dashboard where you you see as things are going, you trade, get the signals, everything. And also you also have a community, okay, private community of like minds, where you can, you see people share their thoughts, you communicate together, you gist, have fun, do a whole lot right there. All right, now that is what you have to know. And talking about my opinion about these, since it has a money back guarantee, it's worth it, okay, because I've seen a whole lot of people even on Reddit talk about it, and they see a lot of money back guarantee with this. So it's worth your time, okay, it's worth it for you to say, okay, let me give this a try. And even if it doesn't work, you can go ahead and just request back your money, okay. And another thing you have to know is that for beginners, stocks trading is not just an easy business, okay. So if you are the kind of person that you are looking to, oh man, I want to make quick money, I can't guarantee this for you, okay. So stock trading is not something that you just get. It's not everybody that is making money with stocks, okay, and it's not even everybody that is in this community that is making money. Some people are also getting lost. Although it's a legitimate company, fine. It's the private community is legitimate, fine. But it doesn't mean you're gonna make nada. Okay, so you have to be very careful about that. All right. So that's just more like a warning. I'm not saying I'm not trying to scare you about stocks trading, but I'm just letting you know that you're losing your money if you do not have another means of income is rapid. Okay, so I would suggest you have a means of income before you go out into stocks trading. Okay, so probably even if it doesn't work early, you can at least know that, okay, fine, you've got something to rely on. All right, and if you have to get started with this, I would suggest to start with the lowest plan. Don't just go ahead straight to the highest plan. You can start with the weekly one, okay, check it out, or go ahead for the monthly one and see the $100 and see how it works. And after that, you can decide to start upgrading and all that. All right, so this is my honest review about the the beable traders, okay. And in case you want to go ahead, you can give it a try. If you're the kind of person that you're looking for a kind of business, an online business that can help you make legitimate money, okay, whereby you can go ahead and invest in stocks, crypto, or forex, whichever one. Because I always suggest, just like I said, it's always good that you have a means of income, okay. Don't go ahead and invest all your life savings into something and you got to realize that you lose everything. So it's always good. I do cryptocurrency, but I also have where I'm getting money, okay. So even if crypto doesn't work early, I'm an investor in cryptocurrency. I don't do trading, okay. I invest, but I know that, okay, fine, I have something that's it's getting me money, okay. So even if crypto doesn't work, I'm fine because I'm not investing money that I can lose. But a lot of people don't have the money, okay. You just go ahead and you start investing into stock trading, and at the end you're not complacent enough, you're in a hurry and you lose out your money, you lose everything, okay. Because one thing you have to know is that all this trading stuff, somebody has to lose for someone to win, okay, and someone has to win for someone to lose. So it just works that way, okay. Whatever goes up surely comes down, and whatever goes down surely goes up. So I would suggest you have a business, in case you're looking for an online business, you can try affiliate marketing. That is what I am into, and it has been helping me to make money online. So in case you want to learn about affiliate marketing and you want to make money online, you're a beginner, you're looking for a way to make money online legitimately, a real business that you can, be earning even while you're sleeping with zero capital, whereby you don't need to have, a capital to get started, you can try affiliate marketing. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, it's a kind of business whereby someone has a product and you have an audience to sell them to, okay. So someone has a product, you as the person, you're like, okay, I'm gonna sell this product. Maybe the product is $1,000. I'm gonna sell this product, and you share the profit 50-50, and you just send the traffic, and the product owner does all the ad aspect, okay. So the what you're gonna be learning is how you can send that traffic. So in case you want to learn that, go ahead, click the link in the video description, or check the screen. You're gonna see a link there. You can copy paste it to your browser and you can use it to get started with making money online, because that is gonna be the best decision you make this year. Trust me, it's gonna be the best decision you make this year. So make sure that you click that link and head straight, and I'm gonna see you right there at the other side. And for real, this is even more like a community something, okay. So it doesn't even belong to me, it belongs to my mentor. So whatever I'm telling you, I'm not selling you anything. Whatever you see belongs to my mentor. But trust me, that is the best thing, the best decision you're gonna make, because everyone I've recommended that to, they always appraise me and tell me, Maverick, thank you very much for recommending this business and this particular secret to me, okay. So now, thank you very much. If you like this video, go ahead, hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new review videos. And also don't forget to hit the like button so that you too can recommend this video to several other people out there. And I will see you in some other video reviews. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.